All right, so we are going to talk about adding your email leads and integrating those to your campaign. Great job on creating your first campaign. Now this is where the magic happens, right? Getting those leads into the campaign, starting them on the follow-up, and receiving great responses. So let's go ahead and get this going. So you have your campaign created. This is important. If you have not created a campaign yet, you will want to stop, go back, watch the campaign video, make sure that you have your campaign created and ready to go. When you're at that point, we are going to move to the integrations tab. So click on the integrations tab and you should see integrate your leads. Pretty simple. When you first came into Agent Legend with us, you verified your email address, which did a few things. One, it gave us permission to send out the emails from the campaigns on your behalf. And two, it gave us the ability to connect with your email, to have those leads coming into the email filter off into a campaign appropriately. So when you're ready, we're going to click on New Integration, and you will see this screen. So what will populate here in filter results will be your email. And then over here is where we create the rules. So you may be receiving leads from various sources, Zillow, Lead Mailbox, LendingTree, the options are endless. So we have done the work of creating a list of good prospect sources to use. So when you get to this integrations point, you will want to start with choosing your prospect source. For the point of our video today, I will be using LendingTree. So I click on prospect source. You can scroll, or to make it easier, I like to start typing up here to find my source quicker. Once you find what you're looking for, select it. Now you're ready to make your filters. So the idea here is that we are creating a filter that will match an email that we have of one of our leads to create the rules for that to drop into a campaign. So I know that I have an email that is from LendingTree that is a new lead. So I'm going to start by looking for my keywords here. Who's the email coming from? So in this case, the email comes from me. So I'm going to type in my name here. And as you see, as I start typing, the filter results will start to change. So now I'm only seeing emails that are from Kiri Leibold. Next, I don't want to have all emails that are from me go into a campaign. I just want the ones that are new leads. So I'm going to go in and update my subject line of what that might look like. So I am searching for my LendingTree leads, which I know have the subject line of you have a new lead. So if I just type in you have a new lead, the email is looking for any words in the subject line that have you have a new lead, right? Any of those words together. And when I type that in, you'll see that the filter results will go down to what matches that, which is this. If you want to be more specific about your subject, you can put quotations around it, which will say that it has to say you have a new lead in that order, right? So once you are good with the filter results, who it's from, the subject, the filter results will be a check for you to make sure that your rules are matching an actual lead. You will want to scroll down and double check your work. We've created this nifty little sentence here that tells you what you've created, which essentially is this. This filter will include all emails from Kiri and from Leibold, so Kiri Leibold, with you have a new lead in the subject line. If you need to create an email lead that has more specifics, so say you have a new lead that comes in and they all have the same subject line, but some of them are refinance or some of them are purchase, you can create further filters into the body and it will then only pull that if it makes sense. So once you are satisfied with your filter, you have verified that you're pulling the right leads over here in the filter preview. The next step, and the most important, is making sure that you attach these leads to the right campaign. So coming down here to add to campaigns, you will want to click on this box and it will list your campaign that is available. Select the appropriate campaign, and then when you're ready, click Create Integration. When that's completed, you will see your integration here on the Integrations tab. And now moving forward, any new lead that comes to your email will go into your campaign and start on that follow-up. Wishing you all the best responses. Bye-bye.